Hello, this is the Corner Workshop. Today, we will attempt to repair the backlight of an LG TV. This TV is a model manufactured in 2018 and features an LED bar. The malfunction symptom can be seen, like looking at a photo, where certain specific areas appear darker. At first, the screen is clear, but over time, more areas become darker. One solution to this problem is to replace the LED bar. There are essential tools and parts needed to replace the LED bar. Before starting the repair, make sure to purchase the necessary tools and parts. For the first LED bar, I will remove all the bolts and gather them on a plate on AliExpress. Since there are bolts of different lengths, please sort and gather them separately. Use a plastic spatula or something without damaging the case. Disassemble the switch component at the bottom of the product. When you open the case, you will see this appearance. There isn't much to disassemble here, so first, we will remove the speaker part that makes the sound. Disassemble the bolts on the side. Disassemble the bracket that holds the backlight board. Flip the TV over. Remove the bezel. After attaching the suction cup to the display, lift it with both hands and move it gently. Carefully lift and move the light guide plate to avoid getting fingerprints on it. And then detach the connector at the end of the LED bar. Use a flathead screwdriver or a spatula to pry the LED bar off. After attaching the newly purchased LED bar to the frame, connect the connector. Assemble in the reverse order of disassembly. Once assembly is complete, and adjust the intensity of the backlight in the settings. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe.